Facebook saves the history of every reel you watch. If you want to clear your Facebook Reels watch history so no one can see what you have been watching, in this video I will show you how to find and delete Facebook Reels watch history. We have already made a video on how to find the reels you have watched on Facebook. You can check that by clicking the I button. However, that method only lets you view your watch history, not delete it. So if you want to delete your Facebook Reels watch history, follow these steps. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button at the top left corner of the screen. Once the menu opens, look for Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see a section called Your Information. Tap on Activity Log. Inside the activity log, tap your Facebook activity to expand it. Next, tap on Manage Posts. At the top left, tap on Filters. Then tap on Categories. Here select Videos you have watched option. This includes Reels. Now you have two options. To delete one video, tap the three dots next to it and press Delete. To delete everything, tap on Clear Video Watch History at the top. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Facebook Reels and videos watch history. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. And if you face any issues or have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below.